Hey guys, just a quick video. In one of my previous videos, I filmed the Seiko Poke, and some people like to call this Poke. I call this the Pepsi Seiko Chronograph, but this is the Poke with the yellow dial and Pepsi bezel. Anyways, if you haven't seen this video, check it out in my previous uploads. Today, just a quick video to show you the Seiko Chronograph automatic. These watches, I borrowed a bunch of these watches, and I didn't want to, I didn't wear them, and some of them not working, so hence I had to shake them a little bit. But yeah, 6139 chronograph, column wheel vertical clutch chronograph. And if you have one of these, just a tip, leave the chronograph, this is a chronograph secondhand, leave it running. It's a 30-minute register chronograph, and just leave it running because it's under the brake if it's not working, and it's gonna wear out the movement or prolong the life of your movement if you just leave it running. And that's what I heard, and that advice was given to me many years ago. So this is a vintage Seiko chronograph from they started off with in 1969, developed some argue before Zenith, El Primero, before Hoyer, but I don't know, these were for the Japanese market, so it doesn't matter. It's one of the first automatic chronographs in the world, and after Zenith, and it's very cool watch. These watches you won't buy on Amazon. You cannot buy them on Amazon. You can go on eBay and buy them, or collector forums, but beware, these are minefield. If you remember, I used to own a Pogue, and the Pogue I owned, it was all completely aftermarket. It has aftermarket bezel, dial, and bracelet. Most of the things were aftermarket. It's a complete nightmare, and once I learned that, I was very disappointed, and I got rid of the watch. So always be careful. This is a Pepsi configuration, and right next to Poke, Poke is probably my favorite, and rightfully so. It's really eye-catching, but this Pepsi is also very, very cool, and I think this is the Pepsi watch from Seiko to have. Forget the SKX. SKX everyone has. This one, this brings kudos to the watch collection. This brings kudos to the watch collection, and I have a bunch of these Seiko chronographs here. I will just briefly make some short videos to introduce them to you, and this is one of these. So Seiko Pepsi automatic chronograph. So check it out, guys. Do tell me what do you think, and if you want to support my work and like my video, please share this video and give it a thumbs up. Cheers, guys.